How to blur background in Instagram story. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Once you're in the home page, swipe right to bring your screen to the camera page. After that, you will see a lot of circle icons below, which is the effects. What we need to do here is swipe left to the very end of the circles or the effect list. In here, you will see a search icon, which is the magnifying glass here. It is the browse effects, so just tap on it. Right here, click on the magnifying glass on the upper left corner of the window. Now in here, type blurred background, and among these results, choose one. Now as you can see, if you show an object to the camera, its background will be blurred. So from here, you can just take a photo or film a video. Now after that, you can simply upload it to your story. So that is how to blur background in Instagram story. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.